Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The platypus is a semi-aquatic animal that is commonly found in the eastern part of Australian continent. Although the platypus lays eggs, it belongs to the class Mammalia because it breastfeeds children. Platypus is also often known as the duck-billed platypus due to the shape of its beak that resembles a duck. The platypus is a strange animal from the kingdom Animalia. These mammals but lay eggs. The majority of mammals give birth to dogs, cats, bears, and others. The platypus has a duck-like beak and webbed feet. Like kangaroos and koalas, the platypus is a symbol of Australia's fauna and can be found in the Indonesia currency. When first discovered, the unusual appearance of the platypus caused confusion and doubt among European scientists. Even many of them believe that the beast is fake. Platypus are good swimmers and spend most of their time in the water looking for food. When swimming, the platypus closes its eyes tightly and leaves the rest to the other senses. The forefeet of the platypus are webbed. When platypus swims, platypus pedals using his two front legs and to maintain the balance of his body. His body use his tail and the two hind legs. However, the platypus has difficulty walking on land because of its short legs. The platypus even uses almost 300% more energy when moving on land compared to land mammals of the same size. The platypus eats worms, insect larvae, and yabbies it digs or catch while swimming. Platypus are oviparous animals. Platypus lay eggs that are similar to reptile eggs and are slightly rounder than bird eggs. The female platypus usually lays 2 eggs at the same time, although it's sometimes possible for the female platypus to lay 1 or 3 eggs. Platypus are generally solitary, spending their lives either feeding along the bottoms of rivers, streams, and lakes or resting in burrows dug into the banks. They are extremely energetic, feeding almost continuously while in the water. Shoveling through stream debris with their flat bills as they hunt for larvae, insects, and freshwater crustaceans, a favorite food. The platypus uses its sophisticated electromechanical system to detect minute electrical signals given off by the muscles of its prey. After feeding, it returns to its burrow, the entrance of which is large enough to admit only the platypus and serves to squeeze excess moisture from the fur. The platypus is found in terrain ranging from the high country of Tasmania and the Australian Alps to lowland areas close to the sea. Although it has on occasion been seen swimming in salt water, the platypus must feed in fresh water, where its electrical navigation system is operative. The platypus is present in all eastern Australia states in both eastward and westward flowing river systems, but it's absent from far northern Queensland, and unlike its relatives, the Echinus does not appear to have colonized the island of New Guinea. Generally most active around dawn and dusk. Platypus can also be active during the day depending on the season. Cloud cover extreme reproductivity, and even individual preference. Platypus are not known to hibernate. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.